Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Hello and welcome. It's time for the news in brief here on MBC with me, Chipilo Mtumodzi, and my sign language interpreter is Savita Wirima. The Malawi Electoral Commission has announced official results for Likoma, Kasungu Municipality, Luchenza Municipality, and Mwanza. According to MEC spokesperson ANNABEL MTALIMANJA, the results from the 4 district councils show that DPP presidential candidate Peter MUTHARIKA is leading. MTALIMANJA says MUTHARIKA is seconded by Malawi Congress Party MCP candidate Lazarus Chakwera. Malawi Congress Party's running mate Vitumbiko Mumba has urged the party's supporters to remain peaceful as the Malawi Electoral Commission prepares to announce the winners of the September 16th elections. Mumba made the remarks in Lilongwe during a press briefing. Mumba disclosed that some data entry clerks who are suspected of manipulating election results in favor of the opposition currently are in police custody. To this now, a 53-year-old primary education advisor pair and constituency returning officer CRO in the ongoing September 16 elections is in police custody at Natenje Police after trying to commit suicide on Thursday at Nkoma. Police and eyewitness accounts indicate that the incident occurred at around 10 in the evening on September 18 at Nkoma sewage dam. The victim has been identified as Clement Chikanka of Jalera Village Traditional Authority Kapuga in Dedza District. According to a report by Mr. Donex Kuntani, Assistant Center Coordinator at Nkoma TDC, Chikanka called before the incident, confessing that he felt overwhelmed by his role as CRO and had failed to deliver his duties satisfactorily. He then informed Kuntani of his decision to end his life. Alarmed by the call, Kuntani and others rushed to the sewage dam where they found Chikanka struggling in the water. The team pulled Chikanka out alive and immediately rushed him to Nkoma Mission Hospital. He has since been discharged and is in the hands of the police. Meanwhile, some of the people who are working with the constituency returning officer have told police that Chikanka was acting strange after getting some calls. It is also believed that some data operators at the center threatened him after allegedly tampering with the results. Police, together with MEC, are still investigating the matter. Meanwhile, police have arrested 8 people suspected of manipulating data in connection with the 2025 general election. According to a statement released by Malawi Police spokesperson Peter Kalaya, police arrested the 8 at Nkoma Constituency Tally Center in Lilongwe on Friday, September 19th, where they were working as data entry clerks during this year's elections. Kalaya says their arrest follows investigations Malawi Police was conducting on an attempted suicide case involving Clement Chikanka, a Malawi Electoral Commission constituency returning officer for the Lilongwe Nkoma constituency. Kalaya added that the service is also following up on a number of similar manipulation cases reported in Mangochi, Chikwawa, Blantyre, Machinga, and Rumpi districts. Security agencies in the country have been commended for their unwavering commitment and professionalism throughout the various stages of the 2025 electoral process. NGO GCN Executive Director Magi Katwera Banda made the statement on behalf of the civil society organization-led Election Situation Room ESR in Lilongwe. Katwera Banda praised the tireless efforts of security personnel in maintaining peace, order and tranquility across Malawi, noting that their work has been instrumental in enabling citizens to exercise their democratic rights in a safe and secure environment. Katwera Banda further highlighted that the visible presence of security officers has strengthened public confidence in the integrity of the electoral process. The Malawi Communications Regulatory Authority (MACRA) has reminded broadcasters to remain ethical and professional in their coverage of polling and the announcement of election results. In a statement issued today and signed by Director General Daud Suleiman, MACRA stresses that only the Malawi Electoral Commission is legally mandated to declare official results. The regulator has also directed broadcasters to clearly label any results they release as unofficial unless confirmed by MEC. MACRA has further cautioned against airing content that would incite violence or threaten public order, urging full compliance with the Communications Act to ensure credible and peaceful elections. Meanwhile, MISA Malawi has commended the media for keeping the public informed during the polls. Chairperson Gordon Matonga encouraged journalists to remain steadfast in their constitutional duty, stressing that live updates are vital for transparency and accountability. MISA also warned politicians and political parties against attacking the media, describing such conduct as unacceptable. You can stay up to date with our election news coverage on all our platforms. I am Chipido Mtumozi with my sign language interpreter Savita Wirima. Thank you for watching.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.